Hi everyone, it's Daphne from Scrap and Crate, and today I'm going to walk you through a couple of the pads from Ciao featuring the Muse collection. This is going to be my next album, and I'm going to use the A4, the 12 by 12 double-sided patterns collection, which is right here, and then just the signature collection here. So I'm going to walk through each one of these and show you what you get in the collection pack. So we'll start with the A4. So the A4 is the pad that has patterns on one side and the cut aparts on the other. As you can see, there are a ton. So if you're a card maker, this is just perfect for you. I just love the patterns. The patterns, almost all of them have a 12 by 12 edition, and the scale is slightly different, but it's very similar. Okay, so like I said, if you're a card maker or you like lots of embellishments, this you definitely want to invest in the A4 pack because you get tons of things to cut apart and use as cards, flaps, and embellishments. Okay, this one's upside down. I apologize. Beautiful, beautiful. And I'm planning on not using all of these cut aparts because that's probably more than I can place in an album, but quite a few of them anyway. And this is, again, the A4 pack. Oh, it's just beautiful. I'm going to make a little notebook out of this. All right, some more cut aparts. So that's the A4. The next thing I want to show you is the double-sided paper pad, and the paper pad is the collection pack itself. So these are 12 by 12 and they're double-sided, and all the paper is the same texture, so you can use the cover. It has cut aparts on the back, and it will blend perfectly with the rest of the papers. Lots and lots of cut aparts here, and these are double-sided cut aparts. More patterns. This is the signature page, and I've seen a few albums done in this collection, and several people have used this image as their cover. I haven't decided what I'm doing just yet. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm loving this image right here, and I think I'm going to try to work it into the cover, but I haven't finished thinking about that. Beautiful. Okay. More images. This is just really beautiful, very feminine. Okay, so that is the collection pack. And now the last pack is the patterns pack. Excuse me. And I'm going to use this as well. So I'll be using those three, an A4, a 12 by 12 collection pack, and the patterns pack. Lots of alpha cut aparts. Haven't really decided how I'm going to use that, but I'm thinking about using some of these letters as tabs on my flaps or on my pullouts. More cut aparts. I just love this. This is a beautiful pattern. Okay. These are very subtle, very muted. Really liking this. And with their patterns collection, they also have a couple of solids on one side, and this is really beautiful too. Okay, so the last album I did with Ciao was The Greatest Show, and hopefully you guys got a chance to look at that. This is going to be a smaller form, and right now I haven't actually started cutting any of the papers for the album yet, but I have prepared a 7 by 7 or 7.5 by 7.5 mini album that I think I'm going to use for this. I've got some flaps designed, but I'm going to start looking at how these patterns will fit on a 7 by 7 pocket page before I make a final decision. But that's kind of where I'm headed, just to give you guys a heads up. It'll either be a 7.5 by 7.5 or 8.5 by 8.5. It's not going to be an 8 by 10. That album format is quite large, and it takes quite a bit of paper, and the 12 by 12 patterns and collection pack in the A4 probably wouldn't be quite enough paper to do an 8x10. So it will be a 7.5 by 7.5 or an 8.5 by 8.5. And I'm actually going to start on that today, but I wanted to share with you the patterns that I'll be working with and the 3 packs that I'm going to be working with for that album. Thanks everybody for tuning in. This is Daphne from Scrap and Create. And if you like this collection, be sure to check it out in our store at www.scrapandcreate.com. If you're new to our channel, take a minute to subscribe and be sure to share it with any of your paper crafting friends. Thanks for tuning in. This is Daphne from Scrap and Create.